So, you're a hardcore crypto fan and your adrenaline goes real high with the risk involved. No one takes part in investing and always expects to come out with profit, but that is the beauty of it all. However, no one likes to be scammed out of his hard-earned money, and some are taking advantage of us crypto fans to put their hands on our digital money. That's why in this video, I will go over the ways to avoid such scams and most precisely, the rug pulls. Side note, if you are new to the crypto world and would like to start your investment journey, grab some free Bitcoin by using the links in the description. Also, remember that the information contained in this video is for entertainment only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any asset. Now, let's get into the video. What are rug pulls? They are those mischievous maneuvers when a crypto developer suddenly decides to abandon the project altogether and take off with the investor's money. One of the most recent rug pulls was actually in late 2021. The Squid Game token had seen a price surge of over 230% in only 10 days after its launch, and suddenly investors weren't able to sell the token. The developers managed to pull around 3.4 million as the token's price went down from over 2,000 to null in only 5 minutes. This is one example of a recent rug pull, so in order to avoid falling victim, let's discuss the ways it can happen. There are mainly 3 types of rug pulls: stealing liquidity, in which a developer pulls all of the tokens the investors have bought from the liquidity pool holding the currency. Another way is disabling the ability to sell tokens, making the developer the only one able to sell coins. And the last way may not seem like a rug pull at all, but it also gives back developers absurd profit while investors are left with nothing. It is when the developers of a newly released token give themselves a large part of the tokens and then leave investors to buy the worthless coin. And as the price increases, the developers simply cash out their shares and leave. So, how to avoid a rug pull? Well, the most important part is exercising caution when you're considering new markets, and do not let greed take over, as it can lead to poor business decisions. It ultimately goes back to your awareness before investing and doing your research. Here are a few ways to check a project's legitimacy. Always check a token's liquidity, because legitimate projects have millions of tokens locked up in the liquidity pool for a long time. You then have to go over a project's white paper, GitHub for DeFi projects, and then follow the project's social media accounts. If there is no active development, it is a sign for you to step away. Never forget to check the owners and developers, who they are, and their history in the industry. If you find yourself with loads of questions and no answers, it is more likely a scam. And finally, check the holders. If a token only has a few and isn't traded on multiple platforms, it might just be a rug pull waiting to happen. Let me know if you've fallen victim of a rug pull before and what you will do to avoid it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for similar content. See you soon!